So we're at the mobilization base for the pipes. This is the location where we'll perform the welding operations on these 4 pipes, assembling them to their full 50-meter length before floating them out to sea to be installed in the project. These are 500mm PE100 pipes supplied by Agru, and behind us you can see the installation vessels that we'll be using to attach these to our hull. These 4 pipes are going to be assembled together into a 50-meter long string. It's going to take approximately 2 days, 1 day for fully welding it and inspecting to make sure that all those welds are performed properly. And then the system will be floated out on day 2 and installed into the hull. The cold water pipes are a crucial part of an OTEC system. They're used to upwell cold water that we use in heat exchangers to condense a working fluid in the organic Rankine cycle. These pipes are going to be used to help model how the full-size pipe will operate in an offshore environment. This particular cylindrical hull design will be used in storm-prone areas, so the strength and validating the dynamics of this pipe in that environment is absolutely crucial for the success of a larger scale project.